Today, I'm going to show you how to add assets in QuickBooks Online. First, sign into QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. Go to the top right corner and click the gear icon. Then select Chart of Accounts. This opens the list of accounts your business uses to track income, expenses, assets, liabilities, and equity. At the top right, click New. Now enter the details for the asset you want to add. First, give the asset account a clear name. For example, you could name it Company Vehicle, Office Equipment, or Business Computer. Next, choose the correct account type. For physical assets like equipment, vehicles, or furniture, choose Fixed Assets. For other types of assets, choose the asset type that best matches what you are adding. Then choose the detail type. The detail type gives QuickBooks more information about the asset. For example, you may choose a detail type like vehicles, office equipment, furniture, or another option that fits the asset. Review the asset name, account type, and detail type. Once everything looks correct, click Save. The asset account will now appear in your chart of accounts. You can use this account later when recording purchases, tracking asset value, or managing depreciation. And that's how to add assets in QuickBooks Online in 2026.